started?
Start it.
Okay. My dear students, good morning all of you. Today I am going to teach lesson 2. The name of lesson 2 is component of food. Component of food. You can say it component, that means the chemical substance chemical substance in food. In this chapter we will study. This is very important chapters. As you know that at first the questions is need of food. Need of food. You can say what is the need of food. Write the questions from here. What is need of food? Need of food. Answer. For first of all we write there, we need food for giving energy. Food gives energy. Second, good health, growth, repairing tissues, this type of the things we get from the food. Now the next topic is components of food. Component of food. In the earlier classes you have studied that component of food, that means the chemical substances in food. So these chemical substances are found in the form of, you can write here, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, roughage, etc. These are the components of food. For writing this topic, students can pause the video and write. After that we change the topic. Component of food. This time I have written here the carbohydrates and fats. After that proteins. After that vitamins, minerals, is water. Carbohydrates and fats, it is the energy giving food. Energy. Proteins give us bodybuilding food. Body building. That means it growth our muscle, and vitamins and minerals. Protective food. Protective food. It two components of food keep our health safe and sound from any disease. Roughage and water. Roughage and water is good digestive material. Good digestive materials. For carbohydrates, to this one is known as organic food. Organic food. And this one too is known as inorganic food. Inorganic food. Now the students write this topic. After that we will study the sources of food in next class. Thank you. That's all. Have a nice day.